Okay guys, Mad Goats 101 crash course, how to roll a kayak. Alright, so first off I'm going to get into my setup position. So setting up for the roll. This is going to be me going upside down, getting in the right position so then I can unwind, slice out, flick my hips and roll back up. So for simplicity's sake, we're going to do a right hand roll. So if you're left-handed, you might want to do a left hand, but you should learn both anyway. So let's just do a right roll for this video, just to keep it simple. So I'm going to set up on my right side. My setup is really important. I'm going to set up, get my paddle blade flat on the water. I'm going to twist my body, come forward, really push that paddle blade down in the water. Get it as far down in the water as possible. Okay, your paddle blade's parallel to the kayak. Your paddle blade is flat on the water, ready to slice out when I'm upside down. So what I want to do with my head, put your left ear on your left shoulder, really tuck up. What I'm doing with my eyes, I'm looking at my lead paddle blade, which is the paddle blade at the front of my kayak, because I need to keep my eyes on this paddle blade the whole time as it slices out, as I flick my hips, and that will force my body to move with the roll instead of stopping and then stopping the movement, because your body always follows the head. Okay, so that is the setup position. Don't try to roll until you're in that position, upside down, paddle out of the water, parallel, flat, looking up at the paddle, looking at the sky, okay? If you try to roll too early, you're not going to be able to do it. Okay, so the finish position, I should finish the roll with my left hand on my left shoulder, wrist rolled back. Okay, my arms are going to be in a W. Now, like I said, my left ear started on my left shoulder in the setup, but when I come up for the finish, my right ear will be on my right shoulder. And I will still be looking at that lead blade, the paddle blade at the front of the kayak that I slice out with, because, like I said, the head needs to follow the blade throughout the whole duration of the movement. Okay, so left hand and left shoulder, wrist rolled back, right ear on right shoulder, looking at the lead blade, okay? My body's nice and rotated now. It's totally unwound like a spring. Cool guys, so those are the two static positions. Then you just need to practice the roll. Okay, so, but do not neglect those two positions, because the better your setup and finish, the easier the roll is going to be in between. So never get slack on those positions. Okay, so here we go. Getting into setup position, left ear on left shoulder, looking at the paddle blade flat, parallel, and then there's nothing else to do but go upside down. Do you see, guys? I'm coming up. My left ear is on my left shoulder. My wrists are back. I'm looking at the paddle blade. My right ear is on my right shoulder. Okay, with the paddle blade, when I'm in setup, I'm really slicing it. The paddle blade starts here and I slice it out to about 90 degrees. So you need to be nice and relaxed. If you try to grip too hard, instead of slicing out, you're going to dig down, okay? And it's so important to look at the lead paddle blade, because that keeps my head down. As you see, my head comes up last. Do not try to lift your head. And why I tell you to bring your left hand into your shoulder, do not try to punch out. If you try to punch out, that will ruin the angle of the blade. So instead of slicing, it'll be dragging. And you're also going to be pushing your weight back down. So it's a little bit counterintuitive, but let's just do it one more time. Okay, so checklist. Tucking up on the right, left ear on left shoulder, twist your body, come forward, paddle blade is flat, looking at the paddle blade, and upside down. Left hand on left shoulder, looking at the paddle blade, right ear on right shoulder now, W with the arms. Just got to try it.